Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. iPhone is disabled. First of all, what you do, you're going to go ahead and switch off your phone to put it in recovery mode. So when you put it in recovery mode, this is what you get in the download mode. So the phone will be recognized in your iTunes. In our case, we have the iPhone 7 Plus. So what I did here, I was not able to go for the internet restore process. So what I did, I went to I clicked shift, then I clicked that file there. You click shift, then you hold. So for the restore, you're going to click shift, then you click on that restore, then to open the folder window, then you click the file that you downloaded. So in my case, I will put the file download site in the link in the description. So then after there, you're going to click restore. So when you click restore, so the phone will start loading, and then it is start loading files till you have to wait for it to complete. So this is a very simple process. So what you do, you wait to upload everything. As you can see, you have to just wait. So this happens when you click your password very many times, and then it locks you out. So in this process here, you're going to go ahead and do as you're seeing in the video. Then after, the phone will restart, and to tell you that, you click that option OK, then you remove the USB. So when you remove the USB cable, you're going to click the power, the phone will power on automatically, but in my case here, I'm going to power it on again. Then I remove the USB. Then here you have to wait again. So the phone is going to restore again, and then after restoring, to ask for the iCloud, you have to make sure you know the iCloud of the phone. In my case here, I'm helping my friend to restore this phone, and after restoring it, they're going to go ahead and put the iCloud in it. Yes, this is an iPhone 7 Plus. So then the phone will open, and yeah, here we're almost done. Yes, so what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and start as a brand new phone. In my case here, I'm going to select the language, my country, then I'll click continue, then I'll go and select the Wi-Fi network so that I can log in my iCloud. Sorry, the iCloud of the owner. So in our case here, we are in the point for logging in. Then I give the person the phone, then they log in. Then it's asking for the old password, then you just go skip. As you can see, continue. So after here, the user selected wanted the dark mode. So here we're good to go. This is how you restore your iPhone 7 and other iPhones, and this would work on the iPad, and could work on other iOS devices. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this video like this. Thanks for watching. This is how you do it. Goodbye.